Hi guys! Say hi!
Hello.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is April 24th. Right? Yung kilay natin, yes. April 24th and we're gonna do biking. Yeah! Are you right? Oh, meron siyang speaker. Yan. Hi! For today, yan, naka-pink and then, pa-outfit. And then, yung ating, ang tawag dito pang helmet. We're gonna go down this. Pang may press to. Nandito na tayo sa baba, people. Where our bikes are. Diba, naka-lipstick tayo ng red. My pang-pang is just fixing it. Ayan lang. Ayan siya. Pwede naman hindi tayo mag-mask because we're not in a crowded area. It's an open space. Diba? Then, samahan nyo kami later. Punta. Where are we going, Pang? In the High Park? Magbabay kami. And then, yeah. Papakita ko sa inyo yung High Park. And then, magbabike lang kami papunta dun. How many minutes?
2 hours.
Oh, it will take us 2 hours. Don't worry, guys. We have done this before. Last year, right?
Yep.
From home to downtown, we really do this. Every time it's summer. Nagbabike talaga kami ng for long hours. Long biking hours. Like 4 hours. I think last year it was 7 hours total. Yeah. Ang ganda-ganda pag lalo na pag summer. Ba't nagito tong tong lipstick na red nakakaputi ng ngipin. Say hi to them, Pang. Hi, yo. Yo. Do you love your life? Alay. Sakit naman nun. Oh my God.
What happened? Turn it off.
See you later, guys. Bye. I'm gonna turn on our music and then we're gonna go. I'm gonna go.
Just testing.
Testing. Yeah. We are already here. What drill is this, Pang?
This is like almonds. Not almonds. This is like
Basta yung mga mamayway
bike
bike
trail.
Bike trail. Alnes Street. Ayun. Yan yung ating mga babies. Mga biking. Oh, the weather is so nice, Pang, right?
Yeah.
Puta na.
Very warm.
Very warm.
Very warm.
Where are we, Pang?
We are at
Rudy's Garden Celebration. Tingnan nyo, may gumawa ng garden dito. Ang cute. Mga tulips. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Imagine he is 95 on 11/2020, and it's his job to maintain this garden.
Wow. Cute, oh. Wala na yung ating book, hindi na naitsura. Yeah. Huh? I know, the cute little one. Liit na bulaklak. May amoy ba, Pang?
Huh?
Does it have a smell? Nothing. Oh, cute. Yeah. Very nice here. But very mainit, Pang, no? Is it hot? Are you not hot? Ayan na. We are here. Which park is this, Pang?
I don't know.
Dito na kami. Did you bike for 1 hour already, Pang? Yeah. Ito, lake. Tingnan nyo, ang ganda-ganda, guys. Emery?
Emery Creek, it's like that thing that there was like.
Oh, Emery Creek. Na tayo sa Emery Creek. Another maganda pag picturean. Yeah.
In Toronto.
Say hi to them.
Yeah, still in Toronto. Near Finch. It was actually near the most dangerous area in the city.
Oh,
And Finch.
Jane and Finch. Ang ganda, oh.
Every single day there is somebody shot. But
Yes!
yeah, this was.
Inom muna tayo ng tubig, guys. Pahinga konti. And then, this is not the final destination. You know what? It's just the beginning. Mga ano lang to, mga parts na nadadaanan namin na magaganda. Okay? Yan, naka-side view kayo dyan. It's not gonna fall, right? You're not gonna fall. Patay, it will go down. Beautiful day like this. Is it a beautiful day? Are you gonna drink water, Pang? Beautiful day. Beautiful day. Who's so little? I am so little, Pang. You little guinea, so little. Look at this, Pang. It's beautiful. It's bye-bye na. See you later. We are in the next
Next to Humber.
destination. Okay, this is the Humber River.
No,
Look
this
at
is
that.
lake.
This is the lake.
Near Humber.
Tignan nyo, ang ganda, guys.
Little lake.
Ganyan na kayo.
Look at this
Ooh.
tree.
Huh?
Tree.
Yeah, the trees. Tapos na yung ating picture. Next spot. We are going... Next spot. Ang ganda, di ba? Super nice. Punta tayo din.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful.
Okay ka lang dyan, Pang? Are you okay? Kakapagod. Meron kasing paakyat doon. Na sobrang paakyat. Mountain. Bakit mountain? Pahinga muna kami saglit. Are we near pa? Yeah? Whew. Ang ganda, oh. May mga ano na, tumutubo ng mga dahon sa mga kahoy. Pero yung iba wala pa. Mga next week, I think next week this will be covered with greens na naman. Ha? Ay, nandito na kami. Are we near, Pang? Tumigil lang siya sandali. Nag-ano lang siya. Call of nature. Oh, we're here. Look at that. Lapit na tayo dun, guys. Pero magaganda naman yung mga tanawin. What? Huh? Oh yeah, the yellow plants there. Kita niyo yung yellow. I think it's because you do like this too.
Yeah.
It's biking. Okay, we go now. Ay, lapit na tayo doon. Wait nyo lang ako. Yan yung ating bike. Hi guys, nandito na kami. Nag-order lang kami ng food. Nagutom ako. I ordered burger combo. Ayan, meron silang paganyan. Sarado kasi. Ayan, hintayin lang natin and then it's good.
And also we can like change direction to get faster to the
We can go to the park. Yan, nandito na kami
so
guys.
that we don't stay on this big road.
Ang ganda ng ng tulog. Tingnan niyo guys. Very nice. Yung kulay niya pink tsaka white. We're just waiting
We
for
can continue on big road. Maybe
We
also
can
something else.
continue. Like your fries. Want some fries?
Thinking my tummy doesn't feel good.
Maybe it's the cheese?
Maybe.
Wait lang. Hintayin lang natin. Andito na tayo sa High Park. Guys. Itong High Park, kilala to na hinihingal ako. Umakit kami galing doon. Kilala to na madaming cherry blossom. Kita niyo yung mga puti-puti dyan. Yung cherry blossom. Tingnan niyo. Ang ganda. Cherry blossom. Woo! Nandun si Anton. Siya sa baba. Kita niyo. Hinihingal ako. Super ganda.
We spent our days on the coast of something beautiful. We got pulled into the tide of something real. Somehow I lost you on.
Tingnan nyo yung mga puti-puti ko nakikita nyo yun, yung cherry blossom. Kaso lang, nilagyan nila ng fence. Kasi nga corona at saka ang daming tao. Let's go na pa! Namin to dito guys. Inakyat talaga namin dito. Doon pa galing sa baba. Makita lang yung cherry. And dito tayo upo. Dito tayo kain guys. Eat here! Yan kayo guys. Saan ko kayo ilagay? Pwede siguro kayo dyan. No water. May dala kaming baon na mais. Then bumili ako ng burger. This is the burger. Yeah. Ito yung in-order natin kanina. Chicken wings tsaka burger. Say hi to them. Hello! We're done eating. Tapos na. Wala. We're going home na pang. We're going to Chinese place. Our favorite Chinese restaurant. And then we go home na. Let's go. It's getting colder naman. Dito na kami. 6:30 na? Is it? Pang. Yung ating buhok. What happening with my hair na pa? We're going home na, but first we're gonna go to Kuko Milk Tea. Hindi kami natuloy sa Chinese restaurant kasi nabusog na ako guys. And yeah, punta na tayo. Ang ganda dito guys. It's a York University. Bye-bye na guys, alis na kami.
One eternity later.
We are home already. We are at home pa. We rode for 7 hours sa bike. And then, dumaan lang kami dito malapit sa amin, 20 minutes from here. Sa York University. Say hi! York University. 20 minutes. Kasi yung subway closed from Sinclair to Finch. So, dumaan kami pa dun sa west na way. Pagod na kids. Buti na may kuko guys. Yung in-order ko is yung 3 guys. Pero it was all worth it. Was it worth it, madam? It was tiring but worth it. And tomorrow uulan so hindi kami makakalabas. It was like Kasi when I was biking, I'm sleepy. Inom muna ako milk tea. Sarap. Dinner! Octopus. Bangus. Hi guys! So, ayun na. Tapos na kaming kumain. After naming nag-milk tea, kumain lang kami. And then, tulog na ngayon yung husband ko. So, i-close ko na yung vlog. So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na na-upload ko na yung isang vlog ko about buhay working student dito sa Canada. Ayun guys, sana nagustuhan niyo yung mga pa-bike trail natin. Merong tumubo na natin sa atin pimple. Okay? Yun lang po. Sana nagustuhan nyo. Please like and subscribe. Salamat po sa mga nanonood. If meron man. And yeah, wala lang. Gustong-gusto ko talaga na nag-vlog. And yeah, it's like, for me, it's like a diary of my life. And it's my one way of sharing my thoughts sa inyo. And yeah, happy ako na nagagawa ko siya. And happy ako and na meron akong mga equipment para dito. Imagine, nagsasalita kang mag-isa walang camera. But then yeah, yung ginagamit kong pang vlog is yung iPhone 12 na phone ko. So far, maganda naman siya. Share ko lang kasi right away na i-edit ko na siya. Hindi ko na kailangan i-transfer pa sa sa laptop ko. I mean, right away na i-edit ko na siya. Meron akong camera actually na ginagamit kung nanonood kayo ng vlog ko, yung G7X. Pero minsan kasi, like, i-connect ko pa siya, tatanggalin ko pa yung tapos i-connect ko dun sa isa kong laptop, yung mabigat na laptop. Ito i-edit ko lang dito right away sa phone natin, even though, paano na may ating mukha. So, yun lang po. Close na natin yung vlog. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung vlog. Please hit the button like and subscribe. Ulit-ulit po ako. And yeah, salamat po. Ito pa rin po si Micah nagsasabing, don't forget to be good and make this world a better place. Bye guys! Stay safe!